We are here at Smokin Oak in Fayetteville, ready to taste some pizza and check out their tap wall. Absolutely amazing.
Should we go inside?
I think we should. All right, let's do it.
Well, Smokin Oak Wood-Fired Pizza and Tap Room is Arkansas's first self-pour tap wall. It's a fast casual pizza restaurant. We make everything fresh, never frozen. We don't even have a freezer on site. But we opened this location in January and just recently got the law changed to where self-pour was legalized in Arkansas. And so we were a little bit ahead of the game and allows everybody to come enjoy any kind of drink they want. So we have beer, wine, seltzers, ciders, and craft cocktails on draft. When you walk in the door, you'll be greeted by our staff. It is a fast casual restaurant. You order at the counter, but you'll tab in just like you would at a restaurant or a bar to get a drink, and we will give you an RFID bracelet. And when you get that bracelet, you can just walk over to the tap wall, tap it on the logo, and we just track what you pour, so you only pay by the ounce. And when you pay by the ounce, it allows you to try lots of different things. So once people start to figure it out, they get excited and they're like, I think I'll try a flight of a variety of different craft cocktails or maybe a variety of different wines. And it just really allows for discovery, right? It's exciting. Self-pour allows our customers, right, to pour the drink themselves. And when you pour the drink yourself, you get the experience of pouring it. So you gotta, turn your glass the right way to avoid creating too much foam in your beer or, trying to create a good experience for yourself to pour what you want. But really it's about discovering great drinks, right? So you can walk up, you can read about it, you can learn about the brewery that is making the beer, and it's a lot about just community and discovery. You'll see a lot of times people will walk up to the tap wall and not quite know what to do as a first timer, and somebody else will come along that's been here a few times and say, hey, this is how you do it. And you might think about this one. I tried this one last time and it was great. And that's what is really fun about it is, especially when we're busy, it offers a lot of interaction with other customers. So
Smokin Oak offers a fast, affordable lunch option Monday through Friday with your choice of a personal pizza or large salad and a drink for just $9.95.
So there's all kinds of specials going on. Every Tuesday we have trivia night. So we do trivia with a company called Geeks Who Drink, really well done trivia. We have a live announcer on staff. Wednesday nights we have Singo, and I think that we're still the only place that does Singo currently, but it's basically music bingo. Starts at 6:30 every Wednesday night. Come grab a pizza and a drink and maybe win a couple of prizes along the way. That's a lot of fun. And then once a month we'll do a trivia night that is oriented around a particular theme. So far we've done Friends, we've done The Office, and this month, of course, we're going to do Halloween. On Friday nights, we also do something called Friday Night Flights. So from 6 to 10, it's kind of a happy hour for Fridays, and we'll pick a selection of drinks on tap that you can pour at a discount. So we are in Uptown Fayetteville, right across from Malcolm Movie Theater, in the Uptown apartments and shops. And you just park around back and right here on Still Boulevard. Hard to miss. We're open 11 to 9 Sunday through Thursday, and then we're open until 10 on Fridays and Saturday nights.
So we are ready for lunch. Jason, you did such a great job on my pizza.
Yes, I hope you enjoyed that pizza. That was a lot of fun to make. Shout out to Emily who walked me through that process. Great. So this is a great location. I love the tap wall behind us. What a great spot.
What did you grab to drink?
Well, I had to get a little beer. I went classic with this beer. So a little PBR is what we're doing for lunch.
I got a fancy drink. Callin' Hogs is what this one's called.
Oh, yeah, we should call them.
We totally should later after we have our lunch.
That's right.
Show.
Yes. Yeah. Cheers. Stick around. More Good Day at the WA coming up right after this short break.